This is the Sesto Elemento here. I am going to be playing the AH-1G and just the AH-1G. And what I'm going to be doing today is attempting to get kills. And at the end of the video, well, first I should say I will be cherry picking my best clips. 2 clips at a BR like 8.0 or lower if possible, then 1 at a more difficult BR. Yeah. 8.0 all the way to 10.0. This is gonna be awful for me, and I'm gonna be cherry picking four of my best clips. And at the end of the video, there's going to be a compilation of how many times I got shot down. So I will... let's get right on to suffering. And here we go. 8.7. And also this is Poland, so that's nice. So I've only gotten 1 kill so far. I'm gonna go to C actually, because all the lighter vehicles have a tendency to go to C. Why does it lean? That's annoying. There we go, it's leveling out. There are CVs though, so that's good. I can delete those. There we go. Centauro down. Out of rockets. Okay, got a kill. Now it's the second objective. Get out. Oh, that's a Shulka. Oh man. Oh. Okay. So we have somewhat made it. Not counting my rate yet. We almost had 2 kills, which that's incredible. Oh man. Centauro and CV almost. Okay, now it's time to go land. Oh man. Hello there, friendly helicopter. Oh dear. Quite a drawn-out battle, I must say. Well, it's gotten worse, now that I look at it. I've contributed to 1 kill. Well, 2 kills. And here's the interface. Now please do excuse my landings. They're not the prettiest. Since I've never actually had to land a helicopter before. Oh, engine's dying, that's not good. Come on, full throttle. No, keep up, and perfect. Okay, bit of heavy damage. Oh, structure damage. Engine damage, whatever that square thing is, and airframe damage. Mission accomplished. Now let's see if we can get there a second time and back. Has that AH-1G been shut down? Yes, he has. Let's see by what. Oh, it's a damn 25. That's not good. Those things are quite dangerous. I see that guy all the way over there. Okay, they're opening fire on me. I'm gonna try some pot shots. Huh, no way. I ain't making any of those. There is like a couple people in this forest, and there we go, there's one. Is that a whirlwind? I've hit his track. Actually, I can kill that guy. Yeah, it's a Delator. Ouch. Welcome to the first 10.3 game. Oh, this is gonna be a nightmare. Nightmare and a half. Why is it so bright? Okay. I got 1 ADATs up. Just waiting. There goes that APFSDS shell. Let's get to the battle a bit faster. Wow, I still have enough to spawn a man 1A1. It's pretty nice. Now the only problem is spotting the tanks. It's gonna be my #1 problem. Actually, Gamma. No, that's options. There we go. Ooh. Critical hit on Leopard. And we're buggering out. There we go. Number 2A5. Now we just have to head back to our little airfield, and we've sustained no damage. Surprisingly, at probably one of the most difficult, not the most difficult BR for this thing. That'd be a glorious screenshot. Just this thing and then the AH-1G. That's double time. Okay, let's track him, let's track him, let's track him. Oh my god. You fool. You dare try to pose me. I have my gamma all the way up so I can see you. Oh my god. Okay. Looks like are we fighting against Japanese? Ah, CL-13. I must say, if I have the Swedish as an enemy, I'm gonna eat all these CV-90-105s for breakfast, lunch, and dinner because there are so many of them. They're super light, and if I touch one with a heat rocket, they're dead. Okay, there we go. Just increase my recoil because I don't know why it dropped. Listen, no! Yeah! Oh man. Okay, I don't see. Or I can get AH-1G. That's a lot of AA. Oh man. So I got everything but him. Lovely. Ow. 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 Oh my god, it's an Apache friend! I must be with him. No! Apache! Please! Come back here. I need a thumbnail. Ow. Dang it, 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 dang it. There's an Apache over there. You will be part of my efforts. There's 2 Apaches now, yes. Alright. Thumbnail down. That's good. Okay. Now it's just trying to win this match. Got a couple of really competitors up. TDU. Wow. No, no, don't crash, don't crash, don't crash, don't crash, don't crash. No! Oh, man. Oh, man.